Let me tell you what you can do in order to clean the USB-C port on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So if you are wondering what kind of tools you can use, then let me start with that. The best option is going to be probably a wooden toothpick or something very similar to that. And also a dry, soft toothbrush can be a decent choice as well. If you have a compressed air, it can do pretty good job too. You can also use like a small strip of paper or thin cardboard. And also cotton swabs can be used, but you have to be very careful with that. They have to be dry and you probably don't want to put them all the way to the port. So before you start, it is also recommended to turn off the phone. You want to remove any cable, of course, or if you have anything attached to the phone, you can just detach it. And of course, a proper lighting is very crucial so that you can, of course, see what you have inside and what is left. So what you want to do is you want to start probably with a wooden toothpick or thin paper strip. You can insert it carefully into the port. You want to gently scrape along from the bottom and sides, and then you want to pull out a lint slowly. You don't want to force anything, you don't want to use too much pressure. You want to be very careful with that because, of course, otherwise you might destroy or damage your port and you might have trouble with, for example, charging a phone. Now, you want to avoid using metal objects, so instead of using the wooden toothpick, you should not really go for like a needle or pin or anything like that. You don't want to use metal objects at all. And so if you have any like dust or lint or debris or something like that, then you can try to use toothpick at first. You can brush lightly with a dry, soft toothbrush. You can brush the port opening over here, and this of course helps you loosen the fine dust. You can blow out particles. The best option is going to be, of course, the compressed air. So you can try to blow it. You can keep it short bursts, and you don't want to keep it too close, of course. And of course, some people say that you can use your mouth to blow gently, but I would not really recommend you to do so, simply because it adds moisture to the port, and of course, this is not really a good thing. And you also don't want to really use like any water or liquid cleaners or anything like that. No alcohol should be poured into the port. Of course, you can try to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol outside of the port over here, but you want to avoid putting or pouring the alcohol into the port itself or into these holes that we have in here. You want to be very, very careful with that. And like I said, no metal tools or objects like needles or pins. You want to avoid them at all cost. And as I mentioned before as well, you want to be very careful, you want to be gentle, you don't want to use excessive force or anything like that. If something doesn't want to come off, there is a chance that it shouldn't, but if you feel like it should and you cannot really do this, then at this point I think it's better to seek professional help to let them clean the port carefully and of course professionally. And that is pretty much it. So of course, a simple wooden toothpick can do the job as well, so you don't have to look further. However, in some more I guess more extreme cases, a toothbrush can be quite decent, and compressed air is going to be pretty good as well. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course I mentioned about the cotton swab, which is usually used over here outside, like I mentioned. You don't want to put it inside. Because you can leave some swabs inside, some cotton inside, so you of course don't want to really do that. And that's why only like trying to scrape something out on the outside can be a good decision. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe.